Alright, what is up? Today is September 20th, 2019. It's pretty late, so I'm going to go over the trades from today. It's Friday. Friday is the worst day of the week to trade. It always has been. I guess most traders are trying to get their weekend started quickly, so they get all their trading done early and get out. So today I basically broke even. Actually lost like $20 total, I guess. Okay, let's see. So I only traded up until my last trade was at 10:10. So let's just highlight the chart from that time. So my first trade was on EROS, 2,000 shares. Got in right here, and I held all the way through this and ended up selling here for a little loss. And then, let's see, I got back in right here, 329, which is right here. And I sold here on this little down drop. So I made a little money there, probably made back, what I lost here. And that was it on that stock. I should have sold here. I was up like 280 or something. I was like, oh, I want a little more. I thought it was gonna break. Basically U-shape, go red to green. But it did not. It did later, as you can tell here. It came back up and took off to 370, and that would have been an amazing trade. But it is what it is. Still learning. My next one is MTP. Let's pull that one up. And I have the sniffles, so apologize. Took a couple trades on this one, which I ended up not doing great on it. Let's see. MTP. I finished up 260. So I got in back to back 2,000 shares, $1.37, $1.38 here. And I sold the first 2,000 here to $1.44, and I sold the second 2,000 up here to $1.53. I did really good on that first trade. Should have left it alone, because my next trade on it, I got in at $1.50, lost money selling at $1.45. Got back in at $1.42, sold at $1.43, made a whole penny. Got back in at $1.47, sold at $1.44, so not great. Let's see the next one, EMDR. Let's see how I finished down 280. I'm pretty sure I did decent on it. Before this doesn't look right. Oh, there we go. It was on the wrong day. MDR first trade 47. Okay, so yeah, my first trade I made money. Got in at 261, got out at 269. It's not huge, but I was in the green. Second trade, actually, this might have been the one I accidentally went short on, 1,000 shares. Okay, so I bought 2,000 shares here. I sold 1,000 shares here. Then I noticed it was falling. I was in the red on it. I was like, what the hell? And somehow here I put in an order to sell 2,000 shares. Yep, so I bought 2,000 here, sold 1,000, and then sold 2,000, which means I was short 1,000 shares, which would have been fine if it would have fell, but it kind of moved around. I didn't even know I was short on it, so I covered that 1,000 here, so that's losing more money. Then I left it alone for a little while. I got in right here at 265, 263, Must have been on this candle here. Anyways, I bought 6,000 shares at 60. Okay, that's at 65, and then more at 71 because I thought it was going to shoot up. Oh God, what the hell! I thought it was going to break this high, make new highs on the day, but it didn't. Pulled back pretty hard, and I stopped out right here. On that trade, I was done with that one. And the last stock, OPHC. Let's see, I finished up 240 on this one. So if you do the math, I finished up 160 on the day, but then you gotta calculate all the commission costs from all these trades. That adds up to about 180. So technically, I lost $20. Yesterday, I was up 31,570 something dollars. So COPHC got in 2,000 shares at 458. Sold them at 440. Lost money. And I got back in 2,000 shares at 262. So basically the same price. If I'd have just held this position on the way back up, I would have made money. Made more money. But so I took a losing position there. Came back. Bought it at 262. Sold it. It says here I sold it 492, but it didn't even get to 492. It's one of the things I don't like about the paper trading account through TD Ameritrade. The system's not perfect. It's really good. It's fun to play with. It's not perfect. So that was that trade. And that's pretty much everything for today. Like I said, Fridays are pretty slow, pretty boring, nothing exciting. If you look at, the whole day, the high of day is basically when I sold. It just fell from there. If you look at MTP, yeah, a pretty good run up to $1.70, but still fell. EROS, it had that good run up to 370, fell. EMDR, just choppy, then fell. Pretty much everything fell today after, that first half of the day. So that's how Fridays are. People trade half the day, and then most of the people leave, start their weekend. So anyways, that was my trades for Friday. I will be back at it Monday.